Today we are leaving Johannesburg, but not South Africa. Today we are flying to Cape Town. Yes!
We would like to check out.
Yes, check out.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. How was your stay?
Very good, thank you.
Alright, that's it. Our trunk is really small. You see that? Full. Yes. We need to fill up the gas before we can bring back the car.
That one is the other one.
Thank you so much. Can I just like your name? It's so cool, man. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye bye. Wow. Do you know what his name was?
Yeah.
His name was Liberty. Such a cool name. We need to make sure that we got everything. We got so much stuff, but the problem is that it's the first time that we're traveling and flying with this heavy super lens. I'm gonna carry it on. Definitely not gonna check it in. Cape Town, 10:50. This is us. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wonderful, and you? Perfect.
Fast lady.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Flying domestic is so much easier than international because security makes it really easy for you. I just think that I left my GoPro in the checked-in baggage. Hope that's okay, because there's a battery inside. Alright, so it is now 10:30. Our flight leaves in 1 hour 20 minutes. We need to use the time to book a rental car because we don't have one for Cape Town. Are you looking already? Hello.
Hello.
Ooh, this must be our plane. Got a private entry here. That's cool. Bye bye Johannesburg. That's it. See you next time. The worst seats when flying is the middle seats. And we got 2 of them. How are you? Good. Thank you. Sitting in the middle is only a small problem we have right now. Do you remember that we wanted to book a rental car while waiting for boarding? We need to use the time to book a rental car because we don't have one for Cape Town. We couldn't get one for today, so we booked one from tomorrow.
Mobile devices may now be switched to normal mode. We hope you have a lovely day further. Stay safe. Thank you and
Thank you, bye bye. Welcome to Cape Town. I can't really imagine that the car rental is fully booked, so we now have to check with the car rental if we can get a car already for today. What do you think? We should have maybe booked yesterday, not today.
Is the booking under your name?
She's the driver.
I'm the driver.
Like the main driver.
But he
It's my account maybe, yeah. Maybe this name. I'm not sure. So you can't find us in the system or what? Okay, so what can we do now? So Fabian is already writing our Airbnb host. Yes, we booked for the first time an Airbnb on this journey, but the problem with our rental car is real. Because you only made a booking a few hours ago, it has not yet been appeared in the system. And we can't change the pickup and drop-off time, so we need to sit and wait. Otherwise, I don't know, we could take an Uber or I don't know and come back tomorrow to the airport to pick up our car. which is so stupid. Why haven't we booked earlier? We're traveling like for several months already, and we're now trying to chat with Check24 because we booked via their platform. Let's see if they can help us. Getting a call now. This might be Check24. As we booked the rental car for tomorrow at 3:30, and in the email they're also saying like we can cancel the booking completely for free within 24 hours before pickup. So we're gonna wait now for 23 more minutes, and it might show up in the system then. Let's hope the best. Are you hungry or what?
Yeah.
Guys, you won't believe it, but we finally got our rental car. Oh my god, this took us years. I don't know how much time we spent in there. I mean, Patrick was... Ooh! Whoa! This must be Table Mountain. We definitely gonna hike up there. Not today, not tomorrow. But someday, though. Whoa! Honey! Whoa! Oh my god. Look at that. Do we have an apartment close to the Table Mountain or what? I don't know anything about it because Fabienne, she booked it. She booked everything. Whoa! Oh my god! Honey, this is time-lapse paradise for me.
Oh no.
Whoa! Honey, is this our Airbnb?
Yes.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Oh my gosh! Ah!
You?
Yes, hi, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You well? Okay.
Hi.
Are you doing a little bit of vlogging?
Yes, right, yeah.
Awesome. Excellent. Yeah, so it's all ready for you guys.
Oh yeah. Oh god. Oh my god! Is this for real, honey? The first thing you're gonna see when you enter this apartment is this giant living room here where we have seating possibilities right over here, or for example also a couch right over here. And from the living room you also can see the kitchen, which is right over here. We got our own bar where we can sit and cook, talk and chat, and they also, here, I mean, we got wine, we got snacks. What do we want more? And this kitchen is fully equipped. We got here our own cooking area, an oven, we got a toaster, water kettle, coffee machine, everything what we need. We also have here our own fridge, a freezer, a microwave. We can properly cook in here, but this is still not everything. We got right over here our own bathroom with this giant bathtub. Here is space for 2 people at once. And we also got a shower right over there and our sink. But you gotta see our sleeping room. Our sleeping room has not only 2 beds and this wonderful big giant closet right over here with all these facilities. We got books, we got blankets, we got everything what we need. But this sleeping room also provides the highlight of this whole apartment is this right over here. The view above Cape Town. Check this out. How far you can look. You can see the harbor right over there and here. All of this. And this alone is already so incredible and amazing. But you gotta see the view from our living, aka kitchen area right over here. When you wake up in the morning and make your own coffee, you also have from the kitchen already this incredible view as well. Look at this view! Whoa! Oh my god! Honey! When do we can move in? Oh my goodness! This is Cape Town! Okay, we definitely have the best view above Cape Town. Look at this massive window front here over Cape Town. This feels crazy. Oh my god. How far you can look. You can see the harbor, which is right over there. Cape Town here. And just around the corner behind us is the Table Mountain. This apartment here has definitely by far the best breathtaking view I have ever seen above a city in my whole life. Expect wonderful, beautiful time lapses from Cape Town. Come on, Cape Town. $805? Is it maybe the wrong apartment?
Doch, 805.
5 minutes later and we still can't open the door and we have no clue how to get into this apartment. We are in the complete wrong tower. There are 3 of them. This is tower number 2. We were supposed to go to tower number 3.
Scheiße, wir kommen hier nicht raus, weil wir die Nummer nicht